Hi, today I'm going to show you a few signs related to what? To relationships, and that's relationships. I'll show you in a few minutes. First, I want to let you know that I do have two other videos that you may like. The first, I have videos related to family, all the different family signs, actually 3 different videos. And second, I have a video related to Valentine's Day. So I suggest that you watch those. But now back to signing about relationships. And that's the sign for relationship, relationship, relationship. Or you can use this finger instead, either the index or the middle, relationship. You may see it both ways, same thing. Relationship, relationship, relationship. Again, relationship or relationship. Same thing. Friend. So index fingers are hooked like that. Friend. Friend. Again, friend. And if it's a strong friendship, like that. Right? For strong friendship or close friends. For example, the two of us are close friends. Best friends, you can sign it like this, best friends. It's the R hand shape. Best friends. Best friends. Oh, she's my best friend, or the two of us are best friends. Family. Family. F hand shape in a circle. Family. Family. Okay, and again, I have 3 different videos with family signs. And now let's focus on relationships. Fall in love. So that's the one hand shape. Fall in love. Fall in love. Again, fall in love. Like you're falling in love. Fall in love. Date. The D hand shape. Date. Dating. Date. Together. 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 For example, the two of you are together how long? Together. Another example, the two of us were together 10 years. Together. For boyfriend and girlfriend, so they're signed with the sign friend plus boy or girl. Boyfriend. Again, boyfriend. Girlfriend. Again, boyfriend. Girlfriend. Girlfriend. Married. Married or marriage. For example, the two of us so far have been married 2 years. Married. Husband. Starts up here. Husband and wife. Husband, wife. Partner. 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 And now for describing relationships, get along. These hand shapes, get along, or get along well. And you can use that to describe all kinds of people, friends, spouses, siblings, right? Get along. So again, that's the hand shape, get along well. They get along. For example, my sister, we get along. And if you don't get along, sign it like this. You shake your head no, don't get along. Or don't get along poorly. For example, growing up, we didn't get along. Now we get along. We're really close friends. Don't get along. Argue or argue. The one hand shape, argue. Argue. And the second, argue. Argue. Argue or argue. To fight or have like a verbal blowout. To fight. It's like a one-time argument of some kind, a spat. And if a relationship ends, you can sign break up, as in like disconnect. For example, 2 months ago, my boyfriend, he and I broke up, or the two of them broke up. Also, I've seen it as break up, like that. Break up. So I've seen that. Or break up. Separate. This is the hand shape. Separate. Separate. And that can be used to describe a relationship or even a marriage. Separate. Separate or divorce. And there's also, of course, the sign with the D, divorce. Divorce. Or divorced. Divorce. Go separate ways. One hand shape. Go separate ways. Go separate ways. And sweetheart. Love. Love. I love you. So that's the ILY, I love you. Or more casually, love you. Wiggle the finger there. Love you. All right, so there's a few signs related to relationships for you. I hope that you could quickly learn some. I had Valentine's Day, and that's the sign for Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day. I suggest, if you like this video, that you watch the others also related to family signs and Valentine's Day signs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.